Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Steelbook edition of Grease 2. So here we have the front. We have the spine here. And the back here, don't really see any special features on the disc. It's not saying about it anyway, but there is a digital code included. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. So, and this is a very shiny Steelbook as well. Very nice. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, get the digital code. And we got inside, and we got the disc here, which just contains the feature film and the artwork inside. So there we go. And there we have the Blu-ray Steelbook of Grease 2. If you guys could please give this video a like, I would appreciate it. Until next time, guys, take care.